If you have a house in Obetz, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Obetz and all around Obetz, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the three main types of sellers that we see on the day-to-day basis here, and you let me know in the comments which type of seller you are. So seller type number one is the retail type seller, and this is a seller that their house is in mint condition. It's in perfect condition, tip-top shape, and they got all the time in the world to sell. So they don't care if the house sells in a week, a month, a year, or if the house just doesn't even sell. There's no time constraints, no deadlines. The house is in great shape, and they don't mind a lot of different people trekking through the house and open houses. Maybe they're going to put a sign in the yard. Maybe they're going to post the house all over the internet, things like that. If that's you, your best bet is to list the house with a licensed realtor. They're going to do a great job for you, and that is more so suited for a retail type seller. That's the case. So seller type number two. Now we work with this type of seller. This is the convenience type seller. So if you're the type of seller, maybe the house isn't in bad shape, or maybe it is in bad shape, or maybe, you just want something done conveniently, we're going to be a good fit for you because we're a cash buyer. When you're selling your house in Obetz, there's no approvals needed with us. We're a cash buyer. That's two main convenience factors. Number one is we're able to close whenever you want to. So you pick the closing date. If you need something done quickly, we can make it happen. If you need flexibility or you got to set a future date, let's make it happen. Well, we can close when you want to. This is making things very convenient for you. And also, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So that means you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. So if you're seeking convenience, regardless of what's going on, if you want something done conveniently, give us a call. We're going to be a good fit for you. And then seller type number three, and these types of sellers really should go with the convenient path, but it's the situation type seller. So seller type number three has some type of situation going on, whether it be a divorce or they're back on payments or some kind of financial bump in the road. Some court might be involved, eviction court, maybe the house is occupied. Whatever the case may be, the house needs work. This is very common for us. For over 14 years, we've been buying houses in Obetz. We've seen every situation imaginable, so there's nothing we can't help you with. If you have some type of situation going on that involves your house in Obetz, or you inherited the house, whatever the case may be, let's go the path of convenience and certainty. Let's go ahead and get some type of options here for you. Sell it to a cash buyer like us, and that's going to give you as-is type of situation here. So you could just sell the house. You don't need to worry about fixing anything, and you don't need to worry about not working with a buyer that's not qualified. So you can hit any deadline that you want to. If you want to close fast, we'll make it happen. Or if you need something flexible, we'll make it happen. Regardless of the situation, we've seen it all. So if you got a house in Obetz, you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. By the way, when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. No pressure, no gimmicks, no sales tactics. We're not a call center. We're really here in Central Ohio, right? We're right down the street from you. We're going to treat you fair like a neighbor, and we have tons of references and resources for you. We have tons of testimonials. We're happy to share all this with you, but we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If the offer works for you, great. If the offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We will shake hands, part as friends, and that'll be that. It's very easy. We're not going to leave a bad taste in your mouth. So if you have a house in Obetz, you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.